Hello everyone, welcome. I hope everyone having a great day today. As you can see, I am in California. Yes, California. I am feeling good being back here. It seems like when I'm in Georgia, I have the baddest luck. Guys, I'm going to have to give you an update on what's been going on with me. It is so, I can't even believe it. But I tell you one thing, guys. Some people don't want to see you up. Some people want to see you down and miserable. But the devil is a lie. Not me. No matter how many times somebody try to knock me down, I'm always going to get up. Like I said, guys, I'm going to give you guys the good, the bad, the ugly. I have no secrets. And if I do, believe me, they're not about me. The secrets are not my secrets. But let's just enjoy this beach right now and forget about all that other nonsense, and let's just enjoy this time. There's a lot of people out here just want to enjoy their life today, and that's what I want to do. Y'all smell that fresh air? Oh, it smells so good. Let's go this way. A lot of people out here with some nice vans. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell, ding ding, so you can get notifications of my video. Guess what, guys? Sharing is caring. Guys, that like button will sure help me out a lot. Well, it'll help a lot of YouTubers. Just hit my like button. You don't have to comment, but to help, you have to watch the videos and the ads. So, it's a nice day. It's not hot. It's not cold. Just right. I don't know how that water is, because one day I'm gonna get in. I used to get in the water all the time when I was growing up. We used to go to take vacation to Florida a lot. You can keep us out of that water, that ocean. Wasn't nobody thinking about no dun 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 at that time. But now, woo, let's just take a stroll with me. Stroll on the beach. You don't even have to leave your home. Hope you guys that's like that. Getting some good fresh air. Yeah, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's nice.
Let's go.
Hi.
I got it. No. That's a waste of water, Enzo. Enzo, that's a waste of water. No, Enzo. Enzo, no.
They have a park for the kids to play.
Daddy?
Swings and slides.
No, that's a waste of water, Enzo.
Like they're getting ready to play volleyball. I'm walking on the sand. My tennis shoes. That's a nice one. Okay. There's people just enjoying their day. I hope you guys enjoying your day. I'm gonna have to do a story tell. I think I do it in 2 more days. Got best of both worlds. The marina and then the beach. How cool is that? I like the color of that van. It's nice. Go to the edge of this water. Whoop. Tell you, I just love the outside. Give you an all around once again at a different location. Look up at the sky. See what image can you find. Drop in the comments, guys. Did you enjoy your walk on the beach? I did. You feel that fresh air. Oh, it feels so good, good. Yes, it does. Once again, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell, ding, ding, so you won't miss any of my video. Guess what? Sharing is caring. And guys, I want to thank you for all your love and support. I take the good, the bad, because it's always something in the good and the bad. It's always something there to help you. So I want to say I love you guys, and I hope everyone continue to have a great and blessed day. Until next time, Lady Debbie S. Say bye, 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 bye. Love you guys. Enjoy.